Hi, English 221. This short video is about looking at data and trying to decide what it means. A kind of critical thinking skill, you could say. So this article is from the Pew Research Center, and it's one of the ones you're reading for this week, so you'll recognize it. It's called Social Media Outpaces Print Newspapers in the U.S. as a News Source. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at one of the charts, and I'm going to think about myself and how it connects to me and how it might connect to my parents or my kids. And I want you to do the same when you read these articles. Think about what the information means and what it tells you about yourself or about your parents. And I hope this will help you get ready for Essay 1. Okay, let's focus on this chart here. If you want, maybe pause the video and just study the chart for a couple minutes so that you kind of understand it and have an idea of what it's telling us. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on myself. But when you study the chart, you should think about you. So, percentage of each age group who often get news on each platform. Okay? So I'm going to look at my age group, which is ages 50 to 64. And see how people in my age group in the United States, where we get our information, okay? So this first column is the biggest one. 65% of people in my age group get news from TV often. So that's the color for TV. This is interesting to me because I do not get news from TV. So I'm different from my people in my age group in this way. So that's the thing I noticed right off the bat. The yellow bar, 28% of people in my age group get news from a news website. That's true of me. I do sometimes get news from news websites. At least if you count the news feed in my phone. But only 28% of us do. So, radio. So the green bar here, 28% of people my age get news often from radio. I'm definitely in that 28% because I listen to the radio almost every day. And I get news from the radio. I listen to NPR or KPFA. So this one is definitely me, but most people in my age group don't get news that way. So that's interesting. I didn't even know. Look at the short purple bar. 14% of people in my age group get news from social media. And for people in my age group, it's probably Facebook most of the time. This one's interesting to me because it's so small. So people my age, we don't get our news from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. And that's true of me too. I don't get news through social media. Once in a while I see something in Facebook. But mostly in Facebook I see like my friends and their pictures of their kids and stuff. And then the last bar, 18% of people in my age group get information from print newspapers. And for people my age, we all grew up with newspapers. When I was a kid, everybody got a newspaper. And so it's interesting that people in my age group mostly don't read newspapers anymore. So that's what I learned. So in my essay 1, I would probably write about that. I would write about, how when I was a kid, we got the Boston Globe and that was our local newspaper. But now, check out Pew Research Center, who says that only 18% of people in my age group read newspapers. That's interesting. So you can see there's a lot you can write about for essay 1 by looking at the data and thinking about yourself. Also think about people you know. So for example, my parents are in the 65 plus group, and look how much bigger the bar is for newspapers. And so that makes sense. My parents have always read a newspaper. And my kids are in the 18 to 20, or one of my kids is in the 18 to 29 group. And he's most likely to get news from social media, and that seems right to me, although I can ask him. All right, so talk to your families about where they get their news, and I hope this little video was useful to you.